So guys, many people that they confused about these two food. This one the two na Urhobo food, confirm Urhobo food. But this one they put oil, this one they not put oil. These two food when they soup for you, so these two soup when they soup for you, so they don't put her for fire. They only cook her for fire. Now just pepper, potash, water, salt, and maggi. We dey call this one iriboto, meaning food where they not cook, na just ground they take prepare everything. Why this one? The way I know say we dey call am na still the same iriboto, but we call this one okpuru or okputu. You know why they call am okpuru or okputu? Because they put oil for this one. When they put the oil, e come thick like the way oho soup dey thick so. And so this will be. But this also they not cook am for fire like oho soup.